Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cocktails with Hadrien for a new series of video where I want to showcase the drink I create so you can see the application of the techniques and the different classic drinks we've learned in the 12 bottle bar. I want to take the opportunity as well to talk to you about something that had a lot of stigma and that's been affecting a lot of workers in hospitality and in many other sectors, and that is mental health. So sit comfortably, grab your favorite drink, and let's get mixing. Before we get into mixing our delicious cocktail, I want to talk to you about something that is really important to me, and that is affecting a lot of people around the world in hospitality and many other sectors, and that is mental health. There's been a lot of stigmas around mental health issue, but thankfully, for some years now, the walls are crumbling down, and way more support is made available to us. Great support like the organization called Kelly's Cause that have amazing resources, as well as a mental health first aider course that will teach you how to spot the signs and how to give support to your colleagues as well as the people you love around you as we are gearing up to get back to work. I came up with this drink that I call Better Days after a live event with the UKBG, Kelly's Cause and Avallen Calvados created by Tin Etherington-Judge. Avallen Calvados achieved an amazing feat, which is not being carbon neutral but being carbon negative. In the whole chain of production, at the end they managed to take out carbon dioxide of our atmosphere instead of adding more. Calvados, for those who don't know, is a delicious apple brandy from the northwest of France. It got beautiful floral aromas with apple and vanilla as well. And starting from there, I infused the Calvados with dried chamomile to give it a little bit more floral notes. If you don't know how to infuse spirits, I invite you to check my video just up here where I teach you the basics about spirit infusion. Now that I have those basic flavor of apple, vanilla and flowers, I need to build a drink around it. And since the talk was all about sustainability, I wanted to use as much as I can French products. So we've got this Calvados and I wanted to add some more fruit aromas, and I discovered Rinquinquin thanks to the Dean Callan show. Dean, if you're watching, thank you so much. Rinquinquin is a peach aperitif from the south of France. It's really delicate and fruity and slightly sweet. It's absolutely beautiful even to drink on itself. Now that I've combined those two, I've got the base of my drink. But I want to add some sweetness, some bitterness, and maybe some herbaceous and some more floral aromas to really make it wholesome. At home, I have Benedictine and Suze, which are both herbaceous liqueurs from France. I chose Suze because it's a little less overpowering and it's made out of gentian, which marry really well with the flavors I've already got. So I'm gonna be using a little bit of that. And to finish it off and round it up and give it that extra touch that make it a truly great drink, in my opinion, after all I created it, I added a syrup made out of rose honey that is organic from London and a few dashes of orange bitters. So to make the beautiful Better Days that are coming ahead, we're gonna have to stir it down. You can stir it down in your mixing gear and serve it up in a coupe like I'm gonna do, but you can as well just put it in. We're gonna start with 2 bar spoons of rose honey syrup, 3 dashes of orange bitters, 10 milliliters of Suze, 35 ml of Rinquinquin, and 35 ml of chamomile infused Calvados. Now we've got everything in our mixing glass. I'm just gonna prepare a nice orange zest as a garnish because the orange oil is gonna marry absolutely well with the drink we're making today. Just a nice little zest. Cut it up just to make it pretty because why not? And we're gonna add our ice and give it a good stir to chill it, mix the drinks and dilute it. Beautiful clear ice, if I can manage to get it out. 1 and 2, and let's get stirring. And like we've seen previously on the channel, give it a good stir, mix all the ingredients, get it nice and cold, and add the essential water that will open up the flavors, as well as making more palatable and pleasant to drink, especially in a hot day you want a cold drink. Now the drink feels nice and chilled, so we're gonna give it a taste to make sure everything is alright. Beautiful. So I'm gonna get my favorite coupe, my strainer, and we're gonna pour this down. Look at this beautiful color. Bright like the sun outside. And then a little spritz of orange oils, and you can slice a little bit your zest to put it as a garnish. And there you have it, guys, the better days. Cheers! And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for your continued support of the channel. I want to take this opportunity as well to thank the people that have helped me through the lockdown. My wife, my friends, the people at the UKBG, and all the resources that were made available to me. And cheers to better days.